3 steps how to increase your chances of getting pregnant, natural ways to boost fertility. After they've made the decision to have a baby, many women try to do everything they can to conceive during their next cycle. But it's important to remember that getting pregnant can take time. A healthy, 30-year-old woman has only a 20% chance of getting pregnant each month. It's normal for it to take a few months or longer. But wait, before continue this video, please hit subscribe button first, so you know when we launch new videos. Women with regular cycles ovulate about 2 weeks before the arrival of their periods. It's harder to predict ovulation in women with irregular cycles, but it usually occurs 12 to 16 days before the start of her next period. There are several methods women can use to help determine their most fertile days each month. Home ovulation prediction kits can reduce the guesswork needed to figure out when a woman is ovulating. Sold at drugstores, the kits test urine for luteinizing hormone, a substance whose levels increase each month during ovulation and cause the ovaries to release an egg. The 3 days right after a positive test result are the best time for couples to have sex to increase their odds of becoming pregnant. If you're anxious to get pregnant, there are a few steps you can take to make trying more effective. Here's how to safely increase your chances. 1. Getting the timing right. The best way to increase your odds of getting pregnant quickly is to make sure that you're having sex at the right time in your cycle. If you have regular cycles, you will ovulate around 2 weeks before your period. This means your fertile window will be the 7 days before your expected ovulation. If you have irregular cycles, it can be a little more difficult to predict when you will ovulate and when your fertile window will be. 2. Positions, orgasms, and lube. There are a lot of myths about sex, fertility, and how to make pregnancy more likely. Some of these recommend different positions or keeping the hips elevated after sex for a period of time. Others claim that if the woman orgasms or doesn't, conception is more likely. Unfortunately, there are no studies that support these claims. The one thing you should think about is your lubricant. Certain products can decrease sperm motility and viability. These are important when trying to get pregnant. If you need to use a lubricant, try pre-seed, mineral oil, canola oil. 3. Healthy body, healthy pregnancy. Before trying to get pregnant, you should try to be as healthy as possible. In fact, most doctors will recommend that you make an appointment with your obstetrician before you're pregnant. At this preconception visit, you'll talk about existing health problems and get screened for genetic diseases. You can also address other health concerns you might have. Your doctor might recommend that you make lifestyle changes before you get pregnant. These might include getting to a healthy weight, improving diet, exercise habits, eliminating alcohol, quitting smoking, if you smoke, and cutting back on caffeine. When to get help. Most healthy couples will conceive within a year of actively trying to get pregnant. If you don't get pregnant within a year and are under age 35, you should see your doctor for a fertility evaluation. If you're over 35, you should only wait 6 months before seeing a doctor. Couples should also see a fertility specialist if they have a history of multiple miscarriages or know that they have a genetic or medical condition that might affect their fertility. Signs of infertility. Infertility is a problem which can be solved if it is addressed in the holistic way, which is, using a multifaceted method of healing. Getting regular health checkups, taking supplements to combat existing problem, exercising and stress reduction techniques are only part of the holistic solution to infertility. The holistic approach is not only a surefire way to increase your chances of conception, it also guarantees a safe and healthy pregnancy. Pregnancy solution. This website helps you get pregnant quickly and naturally and dramatically improve the overall quality of your life, without the use prescription medication and without any surgical procedures. Learn more by visiting official website. Click the link below to learn how to get pregnant naturally. Thanks for watching. Hit like button if you love this video, share with friends and subscribe to support us.